All right, today I have a Ford F-150 and I'm going to show you how to open up the gas cap on the Ford F-150 so you can refuel your vehicle. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so as you can see, I am at a gas station and I need to open up my gas cap fuel door in order to pump gas up into my Ford F-150. Now what you're going to do is, the first thing and the most important thing is, you want your vehicle to be in park and you'll want to turn the engine off. Okay, you see that? The engine is currently off. Now I have to go ahead and open up the gas cap. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and open up the door. And then I'm going to come to the back of the vehicle. And you see right here, it's fairly simple. It's on the driver's side. What I'm going to do is going to put my finger right here, open it up here, and it doesn't have a gas cap. It actually has easy fuel. All right, so it closes up. After I put the nozzle in and pull it out, it will close. All right, so that is the easy fuel right here. So there is no removal. You just go ahead and take the gas thing and you pump your gas. You take the gas pump and you just push it in there gently, and you're able to fuel your car. And when you're done, you pull it out, you close this. All right, that's how you put fuel inside of your Ford F-150. Please read your owner's manual so you know how to do this properly. Thanks a lot for watching.